In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the Disney AI photo trend video using a CapCut template. This trend has taken social media by storm, turning ordinary photos into magical Pixar or Disney-inspired animations. Whether you've seen these whimsical creations on TikTok or Instagram, you might be wondering how to recreate the effect for yourself. The good news, it's surprisingly simple, and with just a few steps, you'll be able to transform your photos into something truly enchanting. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Once you're in, use the search bar to look for terms like Disney CapCut template or Pixar CapCut template. TikTok is one of the hottest places where users share the latest creative trends, and it's a great resource for discovering these distinctive Disney or Pixar-inspired templates. By searching those specific phrases, you'll quickly find videos featuring the exact look you're aiming for. As you scroll through the search results, keep an eye out for TikTok videos showcasing the animated effect you want. This step is important because it helps you find a template that perfectly matches the style you're envisioning for your own video. Once you find a video that features the right effect, tap on the CapCut Try This Template button located just below the TikTok post. This button is designed to simplify the process by redirecting you directly to the CapCut app and loading the selected template automatically. Now, if the button doesn't work for any reason, don't worry. You can always open the CapCut app separately inside CapCut. Use the search bar to type in the same keywords you used on TikTok like Disney template or Pixar template. This alternative method will help you locate the template manually so you can still move forward. Once you have the template open in CapCut, tap on the Use Template option. This action begins your editing project and loads the template into the app, ready for you to customize from here. Click the Replace button or follow the prompt on the preview screen to upload your photo into the template. This is where the magic happens. By uploading your own image, the Disney-inspired transformation will be applied, making it uniquely yours. Just make sure you choose a photo that's clear, well-lit, and shows your face prominently. This way, you'll get the best possible result from the effect. After uploading your photo, sit tight while the app processes the image. You might notice a spinning wheel on your screen. That's completely normal. Give it a few seconds to work its magic. Once it's done, tap on Preview to see the animated transformation of your photo. This is your chance to check out the effect and make sure everything looks just right. If you're not satisfied with how it turned out, you can always go back and replace the photo with a different one or adjust the original image. Sometimes small changes like altering your facial expression or the angle of the photo can make a big difference. When you're happy with how the animation looks, it's time to save your creation. Click the Export button, and the app will save the finished video directly to your device. This final step ensures that your Disney-inspired video is ready to share with the world. From here, you can upload it to TikTok, post it on Instagram, or even send it to friends and family. Sharing your creation is a great way to spread a little magic and show off your creativity. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to create your very own Disney AI photo trend video using a CapCut template. If you haven't already downloaded CapCut, be sure to check the link in the description to get started. If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to let me know in the comments if there's another trend or creative effect you'd like to learn. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.